So, thanks to little boys, this is like the third time I've had to start and stop, whatever. We write the polar equation R equals sines of 2 theta in Cartesian form. So here's some things that are worth talking about. X's are cosine theta. And also from your circle quizzes, don't forget about this, because this one comes into play on this one. The cosine of an angle is x over r. Y is r sines of theta. And the sine of an angle is y over r. And this guy's going to come into play too, I think. X squared plus y squared is r squared. This is the sine of 2 theta. And the sine of 2 theta, it's an identity. I've got that up somewhere. Nope. Not there. Well, anyways, it's an identity. Sine of 2 theta is 2 sines of theta. Please be quiet. Cosines of theta. Buddy, as soon as I finish, we'll go home and we'll check on Mommy. Are you drawing on my floor again?
Yeah. No.
That's a dry erase marker, isn't it? Yay. Where was I? Oh, I was here. The first thing I have to do is plug that in. Now, these don't say 2r sine, 2r cosine. This can be done though. R is 2. The sine of theta is y over r. Cosine of theta is x over r. That can be done. So r is 2yx over r squared. Man, I can't even think. I'm so tired. Now, I'm going to clear the fraction. I'm going to r squared both sides. All right.
How can we put these gloves?
Give me a few minutes and I'll help you.
Could you blow it up?
When I'm done recording something, I'll be happy to, okay? I need you to back away. My patience is gone. I'm going to pause this video real quick so I can recollect myself, kids, and I'll be right back. I will be. I'll take a smoke break and chill. Be right back. All right, back to this. So this next move is going to seem kind of funny. It's not something you might think that you might do. It's not. Nobody ever said this would be easy. Obviously, you know this is r cubed. You don't have anything to replace r cubed with, do you? There's nothing you can do with it. But there's this. R is the root of x squared plus y squared. That can be substituted in. Square root of x squared plus y squared cubed is 2yx. Now, you're not going to be able to graph this on a TI-84. You just can't do it. What you could do if you want to see what it looks like and see if you're doing it right is you go to Desmos. And by the way, to remind you about your rules of exponents, this can be written as x squared plus y squared to the 3/2. Sorry, to the 2/3. No, yeah, 3/2. I see. You drew a snowman on my floor. Thank you. Hopefully I'll have it clean by tomorrow. Anyways, I'm going to go to Desmos so you can see what it looks like. And then I'll go ahead and look at it on a calculator too so we can see if it kind of looks like it needs to. It's not something easy to do on a TI-84. It's not. Not that equation. That was x to the second plus y to the second. When I go to the coffee room, I can't let you go there. You mean the copy room? But you can't just roam around the school. That was to the 3/2. and it was equal to 2yx. It's a little propeller. Isn't that kind of cool? That's kind of cool. I think it's kind of cool. I think it is. Desmos can graph that. Your TI-84, that would be rough. Now, this calculator... This calculator is in polar mode. Mode polar. Changes y equal to accept polar equations. That is the original equation. I do a zoom 5 for a square grid, and there's a 4 propeller. Something was lost, wasn't it? Something was lost. What was lost? I know you want to go home. I want to go home too. You see what I did there? I put in that negative symbol. To see the full graph, you have to include the negative symbol. I want to go home too, Emmett. I cannot go home until you two start behaving so Daddy can finish. Now, and I still have a lot to do because I've been interrupted so many times. There's the full propeller. The reason it's doing that is because you were taking the square root, and to see the full graph of the square root, you have to include the plus or minus symbol. So I need to have plus or minus there. Otherwise, you'd never see it. That's it. Oh my God, I finished notes. Took 2 hours to do a set of notes for pre-calculus and algebra 2 because that's what happens when you have little kids with you. That is every day of my life outside of this school. Great.